So looking at recommended reading list. So biographies, autobiographies, basically your personalities who are involved in technology. So let's look at what are the books. Steve Jobs, everyone knows. Apple, amazing person as such. So there is a biography written by Walter. So there are many books written on Steve Jobs. So this is one of the good books on him which you can read. Odyssey. This is a by John Scully, who was basically, a rival, not rival, he didn't start a business, but he was working for Apple. Actually, Steve Jobs was thrown out of Apple because of his fight with John Scully. But his perspective about the Pepsi industry as well as the Apple industry and the contrast with regards to technology and non-technology is like good. So you can read that book. Direct from Dell. Dell is an amazing firm where it, you know, started with a lot of new innovative ideas in operations and other factors that made Dell a very different company as compared to all the other firms. Started small, but because of its new innovative ideas, it made it really big. Bloomberg is another, media channel you can say, mainly to do with finance and other aspects about it. Well known in the industry, people look at Bloomberg for news and what the stock market offers. HP, very big company. Okay, Hewlett Packard. So Packard stands for P. So it is a book written by a person who started HP and how did it go about doing. And then Elon Musk is the current, face of, SpaceX, which puts rocket into space, plus maybe electric cars. Again, his whole story about it. So these are the books. Briefly go about these books to help you understand what these books contain. But these are good books to read to understand how businesses are built and made it big. So Steve Jobs, I mean, his story is amazing read. I mean, he was like anyone in the college, no goal. He used to just sit for any lectures, what he liked, like calligraphy, etc. And I mean, a guy who is like, no very focused goal. He is believed to come to India and done meditation, done a lot of things, searching for something, not having bath for long, a normal tech guy. And from there, he went about trying to build a connection between technology which he was good at to maybe art. I mean, you look at his phones, iPhones, uh, the whole company Pixel. I mean, he's done wonders in terms of building technology with art and trying to give us great products that help. So he is supposed to be amazing, and his story also is amazingly good, quite inspiring. He is quite demanding, and you can need to read his book. Pepsi to Apple, as I said earlier, this gives a good idea about the whole Pepsi, how Pepsi and Coke industry fought with each other. I mean, the battle between them is like legendary. I mean, you should read like how they took each other's bottle and broke it so that others couldn't take the market share, and so on and so forth. So amazing. Know about how the industry works, how the wars happen between rivals. And that is a good story. Not only in terms of companies, but also the way he had a fight with Steve Jobs in for the supremacy of Apple. Michael Dell. Dell Computers is known for its innovative ways, a lot of innovation in terms of distribution network, making companies, etc., which no one could have thought about. I mean, it used to deliver computers from a very unorthodox channels. People used to deliver with normal channels, your warehouse, etc. They should directly make products and sell it directly to the customer. The customer could order the computers from the comfort of their home and create a lot of advantages of all Dell and create a lot of difference in terms of how it worked. Right. So his book in terms of how he went about creating that whole Dell computers and made it big. Bloomberg. Okay. So he's a pioneer of computer age, talked about and became a philanthropist. I mean, he did it till he got fired till the age of 39. And then he started all this amazing, today Bloomberg terminal is supposed to be one of the big things anywhere. I mean, every college says that we have a Bloomberg terminal. Use up to date news, tells you how to, trade on markets, everything. So a lot of things. And book by him helps you to understand his business, mainly to do with finance, that helps finance and media. HP, again, technology. Bloomberg is technology, you understand. The whole crux was technology, which helped him to grow big. HP also is technology, amazing, big firm on technology. How did they start with just $538? And they created a business called Hewlett and Packard. So Packard is the author's name and Hewlett is his partner. So he started in 1938 and he was a pioneer of creating the Silicon Valley. So his book is also amazing read. Elon Musk is a newbie in terms of folding. Now he's become big with his two big things have created a big venture. One is a SpaceX, which launched, rockets onto space, and one is electric cars. He has even surpassed General Motors in terms of market capitalization in 2017, making it big. So he has taken a lot of risk, he has also been on a verge of being bankrupt. I mean, his whole story is amazingly put up by Ashley Vance, and you can just see the whole story that helps, right? So these are good books to read. Try it out. I'm sure it'll help you. Thank you.